Audio Jungle.
Welcome back to Deals and Discounts. Today's video is going to be very interesting because today I am going to give you the best hotels for the upcoming FIFA match on 24th June in Atlanta. So we are going to see the best hotels of Atlanta for the 24th June FIFA match, so on discounted price. So let's see. This is the king size. Okay, if we talk about the hotel, this is the Wetham Atlanta Bookheld Hotel and Conference Center. On this hotel, you are going to book room for 2 nights for 2 persons. So they will give you a king room, okay, one king bed. If we talk about the price, before its price was 308 USD, but now this is available in 262 USDs. This is the 15% off deal. So guys, here is the things mentioned in this. Next room, they will give you a double room with two double beds. So this is a double room with two double beds. The price is same before 308 USDs, but now available in 262 USDs, 15% off deal. Third one, this is the king room with mobility access and a bathtub with the guard bras, no smoking. So this is the same price for all, and here is the facilities mentioned. So the best part is this is a 15% off deal, so you will save your money here. And these are the reviews. Here are the good reviews for this hotel also. Next we have this is the Sonesta Celeste at Atlanta Midtown Georgia Tech. So this is also one hotel. If we see here, in this hotel you will get 2 nights for 4 guests. Guys, here they have two left. Before its price was 238 USDs, but now available in 202 USDs for 15% off. And guys, this is also, here are some facilities mentioned. So price is according to the facilities, but this is the 15% off. This is the deluxe king room. So guys, here you will get one king bed and one sofa bed for 2 persons. Before 238, now available in $202, 15% off. The third option is this is a deluxe king room with a balcony. So this was before $258, but now available in 219 US dollars, 15% off. These are the giveaway deals. So guys, they have the different options. You can visit their different options here. Next, the third hotel we have, this is the Microtel Inn and Sites by Vidhyama Atlanta. This is also Atlanta's hotel. You can book this also. If we see this, this is also for 2 nights for 2 persons. They will give you a queen room, non-smoking room, obviously. So here is no deal. But in next room, this they will give you queen room, one queen bed. Its price before was $198, but now available $168 on 15% off. This is for 2 nights, guys. And this is also $218, now available in $185. They will give you two queen beds. So guys, these are the some best deals for the upcoming FIFA match on 24th of June in the Atlanta. So guys, thank you so much. Subscribe our channel for these kinds of deals. Thank you.